In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress site in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open your web browser and visit Hostinger. This is the platform where you bring your idea online with a website. The homepage is designed to be intuitive and welcoming, displaying a range of options that make it easy for you to find what you need. Take a moment to observe the layout so that you feel comfortable navigating through later steps. After arriving at the Hostinger site, look for the My Account section. This option is usually prominently displayed in the navigation area, inviting you to either log in or manage your account. Clicking on My Account brings you to your personal dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your hosting services and websites. It is from this dashboard that you will access the tools necessary for the reset process. Once you have logged in and reached your account dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Home section. The home area of the Hostinger control panel provides a comprehensive overview of your hosting details. It displays information about your plan, server performance, and other essential metrics that give you clear insight into your website management environment. From the home area, your next destination is the website management section. Locate and click on the option labeled Website. This action brings you to a page listing all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. The website list is organized and easy to scan, allowing you to quickly identify the specific WordPress website you wish to reset. It is important that you select the correct website to avoid accidentally affecting another site. After confirming the targeted website, move on to the next step by clicking on the website list again if necessary. This further confirms your choice and sets the stage for accessing the reset tools. With your website clearly listed, proceed by clicking on the Tools section. In this part of the control panel, Hostinger provides additional functionalities that are critical for deeper website management tasks. Here you will find several utilities that help you maintain or modify your website. Within the Tools section, locate the File Manager. The File Manager is a versatile tool that allows you to view and manipulate all files stored on your server. It provides a clear folder structure where you can easily navigate to the public-facing parts of your installation. Once inside the File Manager, focus on the folder labeled Public HTML. This folder contains the files that are visible on the internet and directly associated with your WordPress site. Inside the public HTML folder, thoroughly inspect and select the folder that corresponds to your WordPress installation. Accuracy is critical in this part of the process because selecting the wrong folder could affect other data on your server. After making sure that you have the correct folder, proceed to the final step by clicking on the Delete option. This action will remove all files contained in the selected folder, effectively resetting your WordPress website. Following this process, your website will be cleared, giving you a clean slate on which to build a new site or reinstall WordPress. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide to reset your WordPress website in Hostinger. Enjoy the newfound flexibility that comes with a fresh start, and remember to always keep a backup of your important files in the future.